So you found the perfect lead. Right company, right title, right time. But there's still one problem. No email. Meanwhile, your competitor is already in their inbox. Hey everyone, my name is Cole, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually find emails without the guesswork or games. And stick around till the end because I'll show you the tool I use every single day to pull thousands of verified contact details in seconds. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Alright, first up on our list is one that's super simple, but most people usually skip: Google search. Here's why it works. A lot of professionals unknowingly leave their emails floating around the web, on team pages, press releases, PDFs, you name it. And guess what? Google indexes all of it. So here's what you do. In Google, type something like full name plus email or site:companywebsite.com plus name plus email. Let's say you're trying to find Arnold Sue at ASUS. You'd search Arnold Sue plus email. Google will then scan every index page where Arnold and the word email appear together in bios, blog posts, team directories, all of it. Does it work every time? Well, no, but when it hits, it's fast, it's free, and it saves you a ton of time. Now, if Google doesn't turn anything up, your next move is an email permutator. These free tools take someone's name and company domain and generate all the most common email formats. For example, john.smith@company.com, j.smith@company.com, or jsmith@company.com. Once you've got the list, copy all the variations and paste them into the to field in Gmail. Then hover over each one. If Gmail shows a name or profile photo, that's your match. Now, this method isn't perfect, but for smaller companies or early stage startups, it often works very effectively. It's fast, it's simple, and it's totally free. And before you hit send, make sure you're not emailing every version in that list. Not only does it come across as spammy, but it can also seriously hurt your deliverability. Now, if speed and accuracy are what you're after, and you'd rather not juggle multiple tools, Prospeo is built to streamline your entire lead generation process. Prospeo is a Chrome extension that plugs directly into LinkedIn and gives you verified email and phone data right on any lead's profile. No scraping, no exporting, no switching tabs. Just head over to prospeo.io and sign up for an account. Once you've installed the extension and logged in, you'll see two new buttons on every LinkedIn profile: Find Email and Find Mobile. Click one, and within seconds, you'll get verified contact info pulled fresh from Prospeo's industry-leading database. It's fast, accurate, and ready to use. But what really sets it apart is the data quality. In a recent study by Clay.com, Prospeo outperformed every major email finder, delivering 33% more valid emails on average. It had the highest accuracy rate, with 49% of emails marked valid, compared to just 36% from other tools. And bounce rates, just 2% when Prospeo verifies an email. Pretty crazy, right? But what if you need to find verified contact details in bulk or at scale? Well, Prospeo also integrates seamlessly with LinkedIn Sales Navigator to export your hyper-targeted searches. Once installed, you'll see an Export with Prospeo button on your lead and account filters page. Click it, and you'll instantly export your list of leads into a clean, structured spreadsheet with up to 45 unique data points per prospect, including verified business emails, phone numbers, job titles, LinkedIn profile URLs, and more, all ready for outreach. And the flexibility doesn't stop there. Prospeo also works across the web. You can find verified emails while browsing company websites, or even directly in Google search results. So wherever you're prospecting, Prospeo follows. It's fast, it's flexible, and it's free to start. Link is in the description below. And there you have it, the easiest and most effective way to find anyone's email address. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more actionable sales tips. As always, thanks for watching, happy prospecting, and I'll see you in the next video.